Hi, my name is Ike, and I'm once again at Bountiful Gardens in Ewing, New Jersey, here getting ready to celebrate Earth Day. Earth Day is a day created with one goal in mind, raising the public's awareness about protecting our planet. After all, we only have one Earth to share, so why not do our best to take care of it? There's a lot of things that you can do as a gardener, so I'm going to walk you through some of my top tips. Let's check some out. Tip number 1, plant perennials. Perennials are plants that come back year after year, and once they're established, they form really deep root systems that help to trap rainwater, reduce erosion in the garden, and trap carbon too. So they're doing a whole lot of good for your yard. Plus, since you're not digging them up year after year, you're not disturbing the soil as much, which means that you get to build up a lot of healthy microbes in your soil. Tip number 2, plant natives. Natives are plants that weren't introduced here by humans. They've evolved to the local environment. So they're used to our soil, our weather, and local wildlife's used to them too. They eat the seeds and berries that they produce. And they're perennials, so they root really deeply and trap rainwater, reduce erosion in your garden, all those great things that perennials do. It's never too late to start adding sustainable plants to your garden, and we have a really wide variety here from all sorts of wildflowers, perennials, trees, and shrubs to choose from. Tip number 3, leave your leaves where they are. As soon as it gets warm out, people really want to clear out the old stuff and plant all new plants, but a lot of beneficial insects are actually hibernating underneath leaves or in hollow stems. Things like honeybees, butterflies, caterpillars, all sorts of great insects that are going to help pollinate your flowers when you plant them. So leaving the leaves where they are or gently moving them around trees and shrubs and using them as a natural mulch is a way to both benefit these pollinating insects and your garden too, because this stuff is really full of rich nitrogen and all sorts of great stuff that's going to feed the plants as it breaks down. So leave the leaves where they are. Tip number 4, plant for pollinators, things like honeybees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. These are really important for your yard because they help to increase crop yields, increase the genetic diversity of your plants through pollination. That way they can weather more environmental changes, and they increase the seed count that your plants make, which helps to feed the local wildlife. Another great way to help out our pollinators is to avoid using pesticides in your yard, things that might accidentally kill off honeybee populations or sicken hummingbirds. You don't want to harm any of the things that are doing good for your yard, so maybe cut back on the amount of pesticide you use or stop using it altogether. If you really want to go the extra mile for your local pollinators, grab a shallow saucer and fill it with some gravel and a little bit of water. That way you can keep the pollinators hydrated during the hot summer days. Just be sure to refill it whenever it evaporates, whenever you're watering your flowers. Even though Earth Day only happens once a year, there's so many things that you can do as a gardener to celebrate our planet every day. Happy Earth Day from all of us here at Bountiful Gardens. If you like this video, be sure to like it down below and leave a comment if you had any questions about the plants I showed or questions about any of the tips I gave, or if you have a suggestion for videos in the future. And of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos like this. Thanks. Pollinators, like bees, do a lot of really good things for the garden. They help to increase crop yields, increase genetic diversity in the... got me. Got me.